Today I'm gonna show you how you can thicken your lead vocal with choir. To start with, you need to write down the melody you want to thicken. I did it here and you can hear the melody I'm gonna thicken. It's all very easy, you just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare to touch the sky and fall. As you can hear, you don't need to be crazy precise. This is more like a guideline for you to when you need to record it with your own voice. I will show you how to thicken your melodies with intervals. And we basically have 7 different intervals. The one, which is the same as the root, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh. In this video, I will start with making the third and the sixth. What I do is I go to my transcribed melody and I simply just make it double. And in this, I will go and I will move it 4 half steps up, which is when I'm making a third, is 4 half steps up. And if anything sounds weird, then it's because you only needed to move it 3 half steps up, and then you simply just take it 1 down. So let's listen. It's so to begin with, I can hear that the F sharp should maybe only be an F. Let's try to listen. It's yes. Oh, and this should also be a minor, so let's take it 1 down. Let's listen again. It's all very easy. You just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare to touch the sky and fall. So now we made the first doubling of the vocal melody, the first thickening. When working with intervals, there are always 2 options. When we're working with the third, as you could see, is either 3 or 4 half steps up. And now when we're gonna work with the sixth, is either 8 or 9 half steps up. And the way that you find out if it's 8 or 9, you simply just listen, and if it sounds good, it sounds good. If it doesn't sound good, try the other option. I will show all the half steps on the screen for all the 7 different intervals. So let's make the sixth. So again, I'm just duplicating our original voice. I will try to be good and call it +6. It's either 8 or 9 half steps up. So I'll just start with putting it 8, 9 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's listen. It's the first note didn't sound right in my ears, so I put it 1 half steps up, so it's now 9 half steps up. It's all very easy. Oh, this is a really strong way it sounds, but I kind of like it, but let's change it. It's all very easy. Yeah, this is how I imagine it to sound. But if you prefer the other thing, go for it. And the F sharp. Yes. Yes. Let's listen a little final time. It's all very easy. You just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare. Yes. I'm satisfied. So let's record the vocals and listen to how it sounds when we actually sing it. Okay, so now I recorded the third and the sixth an octave down, so let's try to listen. Let's fade it in while listening. It's all very easy. You just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare to touch the sky and fall. I'm close to an end.
the beginning of something grand.
So it gives it this warm, full sound. And you could do it very loud, or you could also just turn it down and let it just be like this minor detail. And while I was recording the third and the sixth, I also made some odd intervals. So I made the second, the fourth, and the seventh.
It's all very easy. You just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare.
Gives us this kind of
sky
futuristic sound.
I'm close to an end, the beginning of something grand. I wish you were here to see me now.
This is a very basic and simple way to thicken your lead vocal or any melody. You could do this with vocal choirs, or you could also do it with horn players or any other instruments. The most common interval we use for harmonizing melodies are the third and the sixth, but I will really recommend you to try some of the other ones because they bring character in a whole nother way, and music needs character. If you like this video, then please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. It will make me so happy. Enjoy and try it out for yourself.
It's all very easy. You just need to do it. Get your hopes up and prepare to touch the sky.